Friends, welcome back to Excellent English Classes. My name is Deepak. I am the director of Excellent English Classes. I'm a motivational speaker, common English teacher. So friends, today we're going to talk about how to speak English fluently by sitting at home. So friends, first of all, English is very easy, and English is an international language, and there are unlimited benefits of learning English. If you learn how to speak English, and if you are fluent in English speaking, then I don't think that you will have to face any type of problem in your life, because English is very important for everything. Everything is going in English right now. So first of all, if you want to be fluent in English, first of all you will have to speak English. But when you will speak English first time, the time you won't be so fluent, the time you will be able to speak English, but not fluently. Only just you will be able to speak English like a normal speaker. But actually the important thing that if you just keep on practicing again and again the same thing in your daily life, how to speak English fluently, then definitely one day you will be a fluent speaker. But it takes time. Good things takes time. If you want to be a fluent speaker, you will have to spend time, you will have to practice, you will have to remember a lot of words, whatever you use in your daily life. If you remember 5 words every day, then your vocabulary will improve and you will be able to speak a lot of sentences in English. But first of all, believe in yourself that you can speak English. If you can think that you can speak English, then definitely you can speak English. And if you think that I can't speak English like a fluent speaker, then you won't be able to speak English like a fluent speaker. So first of all, believe in yourself that I can speak English like him, not like him, better than him. Even I didn't know how to speak English, but now I can speak English easily and fluently. But the important thing that when I used to practice, the time I used to practice 10 hours every day. And the secret behind my fluency of my English, that is practice. The more you will practice, the more perfect, the more you will get confidence, the more you will be perfect in English speaking. So you will have to practice with consistency, and if you practice with consistency till 6 months in English, then definitely one day you will be a fluent speaker in English and you won't have to face any type of problem. So first of all, believe in yourself and just keep practicing. And if you want to be a fluent speaker, then you will have to speak in English all the time. Whatever your things, whatever is going in your mind, just think in English and try to speak in English. And don't think that what will people say about you, and what will they think that you are speaking like this. Everything is part of life. If you are not able to speak English confidently, fluently, then don't worry at all. Just take it easy, and it is possible. It will take some time, but if you just keep practicing again and again, then definitely one day you will be a fluent speaker in English, and I don't think that you will have to face any type of problem in your life. So believe in yourself and just stay connected with us. We upload 2 kinds of videos on our channel: motivational videos and English videos. Both videos are really very important for our life. So you will get 2 kinds of videos on our channel. Just stay connected with us. You will get all the videos, whatever you need to speak English, and how you will be able to speak English like a native speaker, and how will you be able to speak English like a fluent speaker and like a native speaker. So it's really very easy, and don't think that you won't be able to speak English like a native speaker, because nothing is impossible in this world if you believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself that I can do it, I can speak English. If he can speak English, I can also speak English like a native speaker. So just believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself. Nothing is impossible in this universe if you believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself and just go ahead and keep practicing. When we had born, the time we didn't know anything, but right now we know all the things. What is mouse, what is a smartphone, what is a fan, that is a toy, that is a chair, this is a book, this is a whiteboard, this is a smartphone, this is a mic. Everything we know, so don't need to worry at all. Just try to speak English and just be happy all the time, and just keep thinking in English and keep trying to speak in English. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and learned something from this video, then please like this video and do share this video with your friends. And if you are new on our channel, then please like this video and do subscribe our channel for more amazing videos, because we upload videos regularly on our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.